Hi, this is Julie from Adorn, Kansas City. Elizabeth and I have been making herb planters, and I wanted to demonstrate for you all so you can learn how to do it yourself. I'm going to have all the supplies and explain as I go, so enjoy. The first thing that I'm going to add to my planter is organic soil potting mix, and it comes with fertilizer. That's good since you're going to be eating it. You want it to be organic. The pots that we purchased did not have holes in them, so we drilled holes in the bottom for drainage. And we're going to put a piece of landscape cloth at the bottom of each planter so that the soil doesn't wash out as we plant. So as we go, I will demonstrate. I'm going to fill the planter to about 1 inch to the top. As you're planting, you want to pack down the soil. I love how this is lightweight and it just has a really good feel to it. I bought my potting mix from Family Nursery. When you're purchasing your herbs at the nursery, there's labels and it tells you how much sun something needs, if it needs shade, and exactly what it is you're trying to find. So these are super handy. I'm going to start with basil, and I'm going to put that in the center because it grows pretty big. I'm going to stick it in there, and then I'm just going to put the soil around it. The next is rosemary, another great herb. I'm just going to plant it around the perimeter of our pot. The next one's chives. I love cooking with chives. Next one is curled parsley. Use that a lot at our house. Next one's oregano. This version is Italian oregano. For summertime, I thought it would be fun to add mint. You might want to add it to your tea. It is invasive, so you want to keep it in a pot for sure, not in your ground. Last one, cilantro for the salsa lovers. Distribute it evenly. I wouldn't put mulch on top of this, just to be safe. It's not organic. And the last thing you're going to want to do is water it. And bon appetit.